So we start our excavation along the basement wall. We got 3 guys digging here. Not sure how deep the footer is. It's probably down there 2 or 3 feet. This will take us about maybe an hour to get down there. We got Paul up front here digging the sump pit, so he's going to be going down a lot deeper than the other guys, where we're going to put a sump pump to allow the footer tiles, that's the gravel perforated pipe, to drain into, and the pump will lift it up and send it out. So we've got our new footer tile installed, and you can see that we just push it inside the old concrete tile, which we've cleaned, so we know that that line's good going all the way to the end. Now we're going to hook that up to the sump pit, and you can see how we've made that come into the pit. Turns and just comes in. You can see it where it comes inside the pit right here. Deep sump pit, because we're down below this footer. My foot is on the footer. We're down about 14 inches below the top of that footer. So we're going to hook up the sump pump, and then we're going to wash off this wall, and then we'll paint the wall with our liquid rubber membrane. Remember, it's just an asphalt coating. It's a fiber coating, and what it does is it seals that wall up really tight. You can see right down here where this is a porch, and it's really not part of the foundation structure. Water comes through all of this brick that they've just shored this up to keep this in place and, make it level. Water's been coming through this area. This has got to get a lot of tar on it right across the top here, right across these bricks. Same thing happened at the last job. Water gets down through the top of the brick. You can see that they tried to fill the brick with mortar, but they've left gaps, not really thinking that water would get in there. Again, it lasted 60 years, but it's time to fix it. Then we're going to paint the wall with our roof and foundation coating. You can see it's fiber liquid asphalt coating, and what that does is it just totally seals that block. Just totally seals that block. Really great little product, or brick, whichever. But the way the system really works is water's flooding up from the bottom, and that's what enters your footer tile, your gravel perforated pipe. it doesn't really come through the wall. People make that mistake, but of course while you're down there, do everything you can to help solve that problem. So we always paint the wall. So again, a really easy job for the homeowner, in my opinion. If you're looking at trying to save some money, you could easily dig out this wall. We're only down there about 4 feet, and you can see we're painting the wall with our liquid rubber. Got your sump pump installed, the footer tile down below, and that really should take care of this water problem. So we've got this wall almost all painted with our liquid rubber to where we've excavated, and that'll help seal that wall. Paul's trying real hard not to get it on him, but it's getting on him. Okay, so you can see we've got a lot of gravel down here along our footer. It goes all the way back where we've excavated. Whole wall's been painted. You can see our discharge line from the sump pump. Sump pit's in here. We've had to extend our sump pit. We're down about maybe 3 feet from where you're seeing the gravel down. That's where the bottom of that pit is. Now we're going to go ahead and backfill, cover it up, clean it up here, and we're done. So here's where our sump pump discharges, right out here to the driveway, and it'll run on down the hill. You can see that we've already backfilled this section, put it all back together. They're just filling up the area by the sump pump. But a real simple job, something the homeowner could do themselves if they really wanted to.